Friends, in my last lecture we have seen outcomes related to coins. Now we will see outcomes related to dice. We know that if an unbiased die is thrown once, then total number of all possible outcomes is 1 to 6. 6 raised to 1, 6. Here we will see some cases. First, getting odd number. So in 1 to 6, which are the odd number? 1, 3 and 5 are the odd number. So 3 outcomes will be included in that first case. Now second case is getting even number. So here 1 to 6, how many outcomes which are even number? 2, 4 and 6. These are the even number. So 3 outcomes will be included in that second case. Now third one, getting prime number. First, what is prime number? The number which is having only 2 factors. It means that is divisible by only 2 numbers. First one and second itself. One more thing we should keep in mind, that 1 is neither prime nor composite. So which number will be included in the prime number? 2, 3 and 5. These will be included in the prime number. 2 that is divisible by 1 and 2 only. 3 that is divisible by 1 and 3 only. 5 that is divisible by 1 and 5 only. That's why they are included in the prime number category. So 3 outcomes will be there. Now fourth case, getting even prime number. It means the number which should be prime as well as even. So there is only 2 which is prime as well as even. It means there is only 1 outcomes. Now fifth case, getting composite number. So what do you mean by composite number? The number which is having more than 2 factors is called composite number. And composite number, there are 2 outcomes, 4 and 6. Why they are called composite number? Because they are having more than 2 factors. 4 that is divisible by 1, 4 and 2. 6 that is divisible by 1, 6, 2 and 3. That's why they are called composite number. Now sixth case, getting outcomes which are multiple of 3, or that is divisible by 3. So 3 and 6, they are multiple of 3. So 2 outcomes will be there. Now we will see second, if an unbiased die is thrown twice or 2 dice are thrown once simultaneously, then number of all possible outcomes will be 6 on the first die, 6 on the second die. So 6 multiplied by 6. It means total number of outcomes, all possible outcomes of the experiment, that will be 36. So here these are the outcomes when 2 dice are thrown once simultaneously. Here the first digit that shows the outcome which will come on the first die, and the second digit which shows the outcome which will come on the second die. So how can we write like that? First, on the first die we will keep 1, and on the second die we will keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the first die we will keep 2, and on the second die 1, 2, 6. So this type, that manner we will get the total number of all possible outcomes of that experiment. Here sum of number on both the dice is 2. Here sum of number on both the dice is 3. Here sum of number on both the dice is 4. Sum of number on both the dice is 5. Sum of number on both the dice is 6. Sum of number on both the dice is 7. And sum of number on both the dice is 8. Sum of number on both the dice is 9. Sum of number on both the dice is 10. And sum of number on both the dice is 11. And sum of number on both the dice is 12. So this number denotes the sum of number on both the dice. It means total number on both the dice. Total of number on both the dice. Now we will see cases. First case, getting same number on both the dice. It means same on the first die and second die, the number which are on the both the dice, that should be same. So 6 outcomes will be included in that case. 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6, because here we are getting first one number on first die and one number on the second die, and like that. Total is 6. Now second is getting different number on both the dice. That means rest of these outcomes. Here rest of these outcome, like here in the first line, these are the outcomes which are rest of this one, and these are the outcomes which are rest of this one. So how many outcomes will be included in the second case? That is 36 minus 6, it means 30. So 30 outcomes will be included in that second case, means getting different number on both the dice. Now third case, getting sum of number on both the dice is sum of number on both the dice is less than 5. So this denote the sum of number on both the dice. So that we have told that should be less than 5. So less than 5 means that should be 2, 3 and 4. So which outcome will be included? 1 1, 1 2, 2 1, 1 3, 2 2 and 3 1. So 6 outcomes will be included in that third case. Now fourth case, getting sum of number on both the dice is more than 4 but less than 8. So here we are told to find the sum of number on both the dice. So this we will keep in mind. Sum of number on both the dice is more than 4 but less than 8. It means we will have to take 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So which outcome will be included in that case? 1 4, 2 3, 3 2, 4 1, 1 5, 2 4, 3 3, 4 2 and 5 1. Then 1 6, 2 5, 3 4, 4 4, 4 3, sorry, 4 3 should be there, 4 3, 5 2 and 6 1. So total number of outcomes is 4, 8, 12 and 15 outcomes will be included in that fourth case. Now we will see getting sum of number on both the dice is even. It means even means that should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So how many outcomes will be included? 1, 3, 4, 4 and 5, 9, 9 and 5, 14, 14 plus 3, 17 and 18 outcomes will be included in that fifth case. Now sixth case, getting sum of number on both the dice is odd. It means that should be 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So rest of the outcomes, that is sum of number on both the dice is odd. So 18 outcomes will be included in that case also. Now seventh, getting sum of number on both the dice is prime number. So this is the sum of number on both the dice. So we will have to find the sum of number on both the dice is prime. So 2 will be prime, 3 will be prime, 5 will be prime, 7 will be prime and 11 will be prime. So how many outcomes will be included? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Means 15 outcomes will be included in that 7 case. Now 8 case, getting sum of number on both the dice is composite numbers. So what do you mean by composite number? which is having more than 2 factors. So composite number 4 will be there, 6 will be there, 8, 9, 10 and 12. So how many outcomes will be there? 21. We will see how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 will be 21 outcomes will be included in the 8 case. Now we will see the product. Here we will see some example. 5 into 3, 15. 6 into 4, 24. 7 into 2, 14. And 9 into 6, 54. Here both the numbers are odd. So their product is odd. Here both the numbers are even. So their product is even. Here one is odd, one is even, but the product is even. One is odd, one is even, but the product is even. So one thing we should keep in mind that if both the numbers are odd, then we will get the product of both the numbers is odd. Otherwise, we will get the even numbers. So 9 case, getting product on both the number, getting a product of number on both the dice is odd. It means that the numbers which are on both the dice, that should be odd number, then it is possible. So in the first line, 1, 1, both are odd. 1, 3, both are odd. 1, 5, both are odd. Second, no outcomes will be included in that because 2 is the even number. That's why the product of any number with the 2, that will be even. In third line, 3, 1, 3, 3 and 3, 5. Fourth line, no outcomes will be included. Fifth line, 5, 1, 5, 3 and 5, 5. Sixth line, no outcomes will be included in that. So here in 9 case, how many outcomes will be included? 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 5, 1, 5, 3 and 5, 5. It means 9 outcomes will be included in the 9th case. Now 10th case. Getting product of number on both the dice is even. It means that the cases, the outcomes which are rest of these outcomes, they will be included in that case. So 36 minus 9 means 27 outcomes will be included in the 10th case. Now we will see 11th case. Getting sum of number on both the dice is multiple of 3. So this is the sum of number on both the dice. And that should be multiple of 3. It means that is divisible by 3. So 3, 6, 9 and 12. So which outcome will be included in that case? 1, 2, 2, 1. 6, 1, 5, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2, 5, 1. Then 9, 3, 6, 4, 5, 5, 4, 6, 3. Then 12, 6, 6. So total number of all possible outcomes, all favorable outcomes of the event are 3, 7, 12 outcomes will be included in that case. Now getting product of number on both the dice is multiple of 4. So we will have to do the product of number on both the dice. So we will have to multiply both the number on both the dice. So first, product of number on both the dice is multiple of 4. So in the first line, only this outcome will include, because product is 1 into 4 means 4, and that is divisible by 4. So 1 4 is there. In second line, 2 1, that is not, the product of 2 and 1 is 2, that is not divisible by 4. 2 2, the product of number is 2 into 2 4, that is divisible by 4. 2 4, 2 6, here product is 8, so that is divisible by 4. Product is 12, that is divisible by 4. In the third line, 3 1, that is not included, 3 2 is not included, 3 3 is not included, 3 4 is included, will be included because the product is 12, that is divisible by 4. 3 5, 3 6 will not be included. Fourth line, each outcomes will be included because the product of number on both the dice, that will be divisible by 4. Then in fifth line, 5 1 will not be included, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4 will be included, 5 4s are 20, that is divisible by 4. 5 5 and 5 6 will not be included. In the sixth line, 6 2 will be included, 6 2s are 12, and 6 4 will be included, and 6 5 6 6 will be included. So total number of outcomes in the last case, that is 1 2 3 4 5 8 12 and 15 outcomes will be included in the last case. Okay.